Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for being here with us today. I think we kept the best for last. I think we are the last one in the group, so looking forward for an exciting 30-minute discussion before you guys head off to the bar and enjoy some leisure time. Thanks again for giving us the opportunity to talk about really an exciting new offer. It's just another example. We're here with Schneider Electric and Aviva, and we're just wanted to share another example of the great collaboration that we have and the business value we're driving internally as well to our customers that is leveraging the strategic partnership that we have together. So before I hand it over to Rajesh Modi from Aviva to talk about the exciting new offer that we're launching, that Aviva is launching actually today, I just wanted to give you a little bit of context and background and an example of how this new offer being deployed in Schneider Electric smart factories in order to deliver value for us as a Schneider Electric. So we're kind of deploying the technology for our own use and then transferring this technology to our customers. So the smart factories is a great initiative that we started by our global supply chain organization, and the purpose of it was to prepare us for the digital economy and the digitization that's going on across multiple industries, including our supply chain. We decided that we need to redesign our global supply chain, and we launched an initiative for tailored, sustainable, and connected 4.0 supply chain. And one part of that initiative would be the smart factories that we're going to talk about, and then Aviva will discuss further. The smart factories are our own manufacturing sites. We have almost 70 of them now in that status that we have evolved over time by deploying Schneider Electric technologies, IT enhancement, as well as the data analytics that we can bring in order to modernize those factories. So in effect, this is the deployment of EcoStruxure architecture in our factory so that we drive the business value that we are selling to our customer on a regular basis. So we thought that we will apply it our own factory first. As I said, almost 70 factories have gone through this transformation over the last several years, and we are extending beyond that as we go forward. So the Smart Factory program, is actually set in a multi-layer. We have the standard, which is the easy, quick win in order to move away from paper-based to digitization. We have the step up, which is more lean digitization, more engagement in terms of process and the business value that's coming out of it. And then advanced, which is a high-level platforming of data where we are deploying analytics and further industrial application in order to enhance our manufacturing outcome in that space. So as we move forward, we started this initiative in 2017, really deploying multiple technologies from the full suite that we have under EcoStruxure. The goal for us that we defined was from the beginning: think big, act small, and scale fast. And this is kind of the essence of the Smart Factory program. Think big, meaning to start a program with a great initiative, with a great objective in mind, and really bring the people in the factory as part of the engagement mechanism in order to drive this program. Smarting small basically is to start with very little budget, to test, to go for quick wins early on, because as you know, and many customers have told us, digitization is very hard to to put in a business case, to quantify. So our purpose was really to start small and build on the incremental improvement that we can drive with the people in the factory, move from paper to digitization or digital processes, improve the environment, including energy management and so on. So that's the act of starting small with the quick wins to show everyone it could be done. And finally, scale fast. So extend across boundaries, geographies, extend across versus multiple plants, and really build the scale, because obviously there are all incremental improvement that we're trying to achieve. When you scale them up, you gain some momentum. For example, as part of Act Small, we actually hooked up 70 sites of our manufacturing facility to our EcoStruxure Resource Advisor, mainly to monitor the energy consumption across this factory. This is roughly 5 gigawatt hour per year of consumption, translating into 400K euro of yearly annual billing. Right, and it's a simple hooking up in order to see how the energy is being consumed in the factory, where we can actually deploy some energy conservation and apply that through the people engagement in the factory in order to deliver. So out of those 70 or 77 sites, there are 11 highly advanced site, which is basically the showcasing smart factories that we have. And these smart factory showcasing site are where we take our customer to demonstrate our technologies and how it's being actually deployed on the ground and how it can drive the value to them. 4 of those smart factory sites have been nominated by the Economic World Forum as the fourth industrial revolution lighthouses, due to the scale, the deployment of technology at a scale with the engagement of the people and with the aim of sustaining and sustainability that we're trying to deliver as part of this initiative. So it's a really great success story, and having 4 of those factories as being Industry 4.0 or the fourth industrial revolution lighthouses as a scale of the innovation and the technology and the engagement of people, because there is certainly a change management involved, was a critical success for us. So, one of those sites that some of you have visited probably recently is Lexington in in the United States, and this was a 60-year-old site, far away from digitization and digitalization. It was mainly a paper-based process that we transformed, and we are showcasing as one of the smart factory. And you can see on the slide some of the key KPIs or results: 20% reduction in maintenance costs and 90% reduction in paperwork. This is a big impact in a site, in a key manufacturer site for us, in which we deployed our own technology, including Aviva, with the new offer that the team is launching today, in order to drive a different engagement and a different behavior. So that this digitization process is proceeding, and we are continuing to expand our sites as we move forward. Basically eating our own lunch as we continue onward in order to drive this engagement. With that, I would like to invite Rajesh Modi from Aviva to talk about the offer that we're launching. Thank you.
Good evening, good afternoon, everyone. So I'll be presenting and announcing the new product offering which we are announcing, digital in discrete market. And so this particular announcement is all about digital lean manufacturing, lean management software offering for discrete market. So typically when customer put together a simple system for converting manual operation to automated operations, converting for different languages, taking out a lot of manual steps, how do you converge all those manual processes into automated workflow and automated process? So we created this software offering as a fully templatized version for discrete market. And we've been working within Schneider factory for the last couple of years, and we have deployed to 70 plus factories so far. And now we have created a completely discrete software, discrete market solution called a digital lean management software. This software allows customer to improve efficiency, improve digitization, and as Hani mentioned about whether it's Industrial 4.0, smart manufacturing, this will take them through that journey. This software is very pre-planned solution. It does not require a major services arm. You create it, configure it, and up and running. Very, very simple templated solution for discrete manufacturing. Third thing is, as I mentioned, it has got all the KPIs, dashboard, notification, converting manual steps into automated steps. It has a workflow built in. All those different pieces you need for an operator to make the discrete manufacturing process efficiently. It has it all bundled into for continuous improvement. So these are really high-level solution as templates, and you put it on your assembly line and helps you improve productivity for operators as well. Other part of the discrete lean management is all about, it's designed for manufacturing where you have a lot of paper-based system. How do we provide them step-by-step instruction? This is generally given through this solutions, this basically the software. Second part also, it has got real-time visibility. This solution comes with number of connectors. So you can provide to whichever I/O system you're running it, we will have connectors to that solution template part of it as well to improve performance. Third thing will be a visibility. We will have a pre-canned templates of graphics, KPIs, charts, everything given into this template as well. And it gives you a very good way of collaboration between different teams. So this really helps people collaborate among different team members. It can provide different notifications, and it helps you even provide data on a mobile platform as well. Third thing also is it's all about our collaboration with Schneider. We've been working for 2-3 years together to develop the solutions, and we have implemented a number of their factories. And this really is output of all this work last 3 years into this solution. Also, this is availability for general smart manufacturing discrete area, and so that if customer wants to get up a start with a appropriate different language, localization, local system indicators, all these pieces available to make it really templatized approach. Typically what customers do is you have PLCs, you have SCADA, HMI, connectivity, historian, all this, and you have MES, all these pieces together, you connection as a custom solution. Whether this one comes with all those pieces integrated together for your assembly line. So this really provides you huge step, as Hani said also, you can scale faster. That's what this one allows you. It's a lot of advantages in deploying this solution. And if you need, in terms of international languages, you want to connect to different databases, you want to connect to different system, it's all configurability. There is no programming involved in this solution at all. So key takeaways are in terms of technology. This is a new paradigm, new solution for discrete market, absolutely game-changing for smart manufacturing. It also takes advantage of our ecosystem all over the world. Our partners will be able to deploy it much, much more quickly. And third is all about our commercial flexibility. This is part of our commercial subscription-based approach. So you get appropriate new updates, you get to deploy new versions. All this becomes part of the commercial flexibility. So it allows you technical flexibility, allows you architecture flexibility, and also provide you commercial flexibility. So all across 3 areas, this solution is a unique in for the discrete market. So I think with that, we go into question and answer session.